Pregnancy is a time filled with anticipation, excitement, and for many, a whirlwind of advice from friends, family, and even strangers. But with so much information swirling around, it's easy for myths and misconceptions to take root. Today, let's set the record straight by busting 10 of the most common myths about pregnancy, so you can focus on what really matters during these precious months. Myth 1. You should eat for two. This is perhaps one of the most enduring myths about pregnancy. While it's true that your body needs extra nutrients to support the growing baby, you don't actually need to double your calorie intake. In reality, most pregnant people only need about 300 extra calories per day during the second and third trimesters. That's roughly the equivalent of a small snack, not an entire second meal. The focus should be on quality, not quantity. Nourishing your body with a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Myth 2. Morning sickness only happens in the morning. Despite the name, morning sickness can strike at any time of the day, or even at night. For some, it's a brief bout of nausea upon waking, but for others, it can be an all-day affair. Hormonal changes are the culprit here, and every pregnancy is different. Some people experience severe nausea throughout the first trimester, while others may breeze through pregnancy with barely a queasy moment. If morning sickness becomes severe or makes it difficult to keep food and liquids down, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider. Myth 3. You can't exercise while pregnant. In the past, expectant mothers were often told to rest and avoid physical activity. Today, we know that for most pregnancies, regular exercise is not only safe, but beneficial. Activities like walking, swimming, yoga, and even light strength training can help reduce stress, ease aches and pains, improve mood, and prepare your body for labor. Of course, it's always important to check with your doctor before starting or continuing any exercise routine, especially if you have a high-risk pregnancy or specific health concerns. Myth 4. Heartburn means your baby will have a lot of hair. This old wives' tale is fun to repeat, but science doesn't quite back it up. Heartburn is common during pregnancy because hormones relax the valve between your stomach and esophagus, allowing stomach acid to leak upward. While one small study did find a slight correlation between more severe heartburn and babies born with more hair, it's not a reliable predictor. Heartburn is mainly a result of physical and hormonal changes, not your baby's future hairstyle. Myth 5. You shouldn't have sex during pregnancy. For most people with healthy pregnancies, sex is perfectly safe up until your water breaks or labor begins. The baby is well protected in the amniotic sac, and sex won't harm them. In fact, intimacy can be a wonderful way to maintain emotional closeness with your partner during this transformative time. However, there are some circumstances, such as placenta previa or signs of preterm labor, where your doctor might advise against it. Always follow your healthcare provider's recommendations. Myth 6. You should avoid all seafood. Seafood is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for your baby's brain development. However, some types of fish are high in mercury, which can be harmful. The key is choosing low-mercury options, such as salmon, sardines, trout, and shrimp, and limiting or avoiding high-mercury fish like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish. Generally, 2 to 3 servings of low-mercury fish per week are considered safe and beneficial during pregnancy. Myth 7. Stretch marks can be prevented with creams and oils. Many products claim to prevent stretch marks, but the reality is that genetics and how quickly your skin stretches play a much bigger role. While moisturizers can help soothe itchy skin and improve its elasticity, there's no guaranteed way to prevent stretch marks altogether. If they do appear, remember that they are a normal and often temporary part of your body's amazing transformation. Myth 8. If you carry high or low, it reveals your baby's gender. You might hear that carrying your bump high means you're having a girl, or low means it's a boy. These stories are entertaining, but there's no scientific basis for them. The shape and position of your belly are influenced by factors like your body type, muscle tone, the position of the baby, and whether this is your first pregnancy. The only reliable ways to determine your baby's sex are through ultrasound or genetic testing. Myth 9. Flying during pregnancy is dangerous. For most people with healthy pregnancies, air travel is safe up until about 36 weeks. The main concerns are staying hydrated, moving around to prevent blood clots, and making sure you have access to medical care if needed. Airlines may have their own restrictions for passengers in late pregnancy, so it's always wise to check before booking. If you have any complications or a high-risk pregnancy, consult your healthcare provider before flying. Myth 10. You can't dye your hair while pregnant. This myth has caused many expectant parents to forego their usual hair routines, but most research suggests that hair dye chemicals are not significantly absorbed into the skin and are unlikely to harm the baby. If you're concerned, you can take precautions, such as waiting until the second trimester, using highlights instead of all-over color, or opting for natural dyes. Always make sure the area is well ventilated. Beyond these 10 myths, there are many more misconceptions, often well-meaning, but sometimes rooted in outdated information or cultural beliefs. Pregnancy is a unique experience for every individual, and what's most important is listening to your body, staying informed, and seeking advice from qualified healthcare professionals. Remember, it's normal to feel overwhelmed by the flood of advice, old wives' tales, and conflicting information. Trust your instincts, ask questions, and focus on what feels right for you and your growing family. By separating fact from fiction, you can embrace pregnancy with greater confidence and peace of mind, knowing you're making informed decisions for yourself and your baby. The journey may be filled with surprises, but it's also a time of incredible strength, adaptability, and joy. So, let go of the myths, celebrate the truths, and enjoy every step of the way.